All right, here we go.
What is it, Mom?
Wow,
What
look at
are
these. They're book bags. Wow.
They're heavy.
Yeah.
And a zipper.
They've got, yep, it's got a zipper.
And what's inside them?
All sorts of projects. So those are like their magnets to go on the refrigerator. And flashcards. And these look like they're puzzles.
They're heavy.
Yeah. Let's give Levi some to look at too, because you got lots of them. And he'll share his magnets. Look at their letters. So we can make their name.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow, and look at
Let's
these.
go.
There's a book.
Let's go.
Oh, I don't know what to see. And look at some things to color. Look at that. Look at that.
What is it?
That's a turtle.
Wow.
Yeah. We've got animals to color.
What are they?
Let's see. This it looks like it's got a variety of shapes. So it's got. Looks like.
Can I see, Mom?
Yep. It looks like an
Can I
ambulance.
see? Can I see, Mom?
Sure. Okay. This one has. Oh, it teaches you about recycling. So it's got bottles and cans and glass and
Can I
boxes.
see?
Yeah. Okay, so if you pick one of these things to have, you can have a frog, a penguin.
I'm a
You want to
frog.
pick the frog? Okay.
I'm a frog.
Do you want a frog too, or do you want a turtle, or a penguin, or?
Turtle.
Okay, no. This is your pick. Do you want something out of here instead?
Yeah.
So you can have a fireman's hat.
A fireman's hat.
Okay.
Ding ding.
Oh yeah. What do you have? Okay, let's find the fireman's hat. So you get the fireman hat.
What?
Yeah, those are hard to learn. Look at there's an airplane on that one. Okay, let's be careful of the box. Oh, Bristol, you are a great help. Okay, let's pick out. Let's pick out just a couple things so we don't have everything out.
I need these.
Okay, that's your pick.
No, I want these.
Pick one thing. Colton, what are you gonna pick? You're gonna do the puzzle.
I want to do this one.
Okay, so let's put these things back in your book bag so we keep everything together. Bristol. Oh, we gotta show off Bristol's shirt. Look at this fancy shirt. Oh, she's busy, I guess. We'll show off the shirt later. Do you want? Let's see. Here, Bristol. I bet you like these. Okay. So let's put. Oh, that was my fault. So this is wow. These are flashcards to help you learn your shapes. Just like in our book that we worked on our shapes. Remember that book?
Nettles, Mom? No, since they're mine.
No. We're going to share. Oh, not in our mouth. I wasn't watching you close enough. These don't go in your mouth. So, alright, are you going to play with that? Why don't you play with that for a couple of minutes and then we'll pick that up and you can have some of these flashcards. Okay, let's put some of these. Square, good job. Do you remember what these are? Triangle. Yeah. you're supposed to tell the color. What color is that?
Red.
Good job.
What kind of square is that?
Alright, can you look into the camera and say thank you?
Thank you.
Colton, can you look into the camera and say thank you?
Thank you.
Alright, Bristol, we want to get a picture of you. Picture of you. We'll see how close you get. Say hi, I've got my shirt on. Say hi, I've got my shirt on. I wonder how much of you we got in there.